Did you know that every year countless species of plants and animals are disappearing from our planet? This loss of biodiversity is not only alarming but has far-reached consequences for the delicate balance of our ecosystems and ultimately our own survival. Biodiversity refers to the incredible variety of life forms on Earth, from the tiniest microorganisms to the large mammals. It encompasses the diversity of species, genetic variations within species, and the complex interactions between different species and their habitats. It is crucial for us to take strong stance against biodiversity loss and actively work towards its preservation, as our own well-being and the health of the planet depend on it. Biodiversity sustains life-sustaining ecosystems and provides numerous benefits to humanity. Forests, which are rich in biodiversity, play a critical role in regulating the climate by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. They also provide essential ecosystem services like water purification and soil conservation. Biodiversity is the foundation of agriculture and food security. The genetic diversity of crops and livestock is vital for developing disease-resistant varieties and adapting to changing environmental conditions. Preserving biodiversity not only protects our environment but also safeguards our own health. However, there is another crucial reason to act. Biodiversity loss threatens human health and the economy. Many medicines and life-saving drugs are derived from natural sources, such as plants and marine organisms. As we lose species, we lose potential cures and treatments for diseases. Biodiversity loss disrupts the delicate balance of ecosystems, leading to the spread of invasive species and an increase in pests and diseases that can harm agriculture crops and cause economic losses.
Some people believe that climate change is a hoax, and therefore biodiversity loss is not a significant concern. Numerous scientific studies and extensive data provide undeniable evidence of climate change and its impact on biodiversity. Rising global temperatures, melting glaciers, shifting precipitation patterns, and the loss of habitats has been extensively documented. If ecosystem services are no longer sufficient to meet societal demands, the loss of biodiversity can directly and significantly affect human health. Furthermore, alterations in ecosystem services have indirect consequences on people's livelihoods, income, local migration, and in some instances can lead to or intensify political conflicts. In conclusion, taking a strong posture against biodiversity loss is not only an ethical imperative, but also a matter of self-interest. By protecting and restoring biodiversity, we ensure the continued provision of essential ecosystem services, the availability of life-saving medicines, and the sustainability of our economies. Failure to act risks irreversible damage to our planet and a future where ecosystems are unbalanced, economies suffer, and human health is compromised. Let us stand together to preserve the beauty and resilience of our natural world for future generations.